Alright, so today I received all of my parts for my new build. So what I'm going to do is take this 3080 Suprim X out of this computer, and we're going to reinstall the two 7060s in here. Make sure this one's working, and then assemble the new computer, which is going to have a 5900X, two NVMe drives, a new MSI Unify X570 motherboard, Noctua NHD15 CPU cooler, 850 watt SeaSonic focus power supply, some fans I got, some RGB fans I got on Amazon, and some G.Skill 3600 megahertz CL16 RAM. Alright, so let's just take this part out of here now.
And where is it? So basically, just unscrew this guy. Now these screws are a little bit tricky because they will fall in. We're going to have to get them after. Maybe we should just get
There we go. Unplug our power cables. All right. Alright, so now we just have to unclip the card here. Now this is kind of tricky because the card is so wide, there's literally a really small lip on the clip to take it off the board. So we'll take my handy dandy screwdriver. You can see it's been through a lot. Let's just gently push it down. There you go. And we're unclipped, and the cord is so heavy that it's actually pushing it back into place, actually. Yep. So there we go, it clipped it back in. There we go. Let's just make sure that we're able to get this guy out of here, and we're good to go. Let's see. Oh, he's stuck in there good, huh? Okay. Let's try it again. Make sure we get that clip all the way down. Make sure I took everything off. That's not clipped in there. See, it clips in. Push the clip up. And our video card should. Nope. So I guess it'd be better to do this with the case standing up. So let's try that. Actually, that's not a good idea since the card is not screwed in anymore. So use a screwdriver again. Gently push it down so we can unlock it. Okay, it's unlocked. And give it a little wiggle. So we're having... Oh, stupid me. Don't forget to remove these. Okay, there you go. And the monster is free. So we're gonna set this guy aside. And now we're gonna have another expert here install the video cards. She's gonna install these back into her new computer because this is her upgrade. Let me just prepare some of this stuff. Take some of these out. I'm not sure which one of these I had out when I had it in with the SLI configuration, so we'll just take these out. Maybe one more. Okay. Now, so yeah, don't forget when you're taking your new card out, don't forget to take these out. So I'm going to show her how to install the first one, and then she'll install the second one. So this slot right here is going to go into this slot here, and when you press it in, it's going to make a clicking sound. These two right here are going to go into these two holes in the back right here. So first you line this up with the slot on the board, slide it in. See, it automatically went straight back through, and then press it down, you hear the click, and it's in. Then you're going to take a couple of these screws, and you're going to take that. You're going to take the screws, you're going to start it. In this case, you can start it with your hand because the cards are so small. And then we can finish tightening them down when we put the other one in. Alright, so put in the other one. So that one's gonna go into that slot right there. You gotta try and look down over. You gotta try to look from this way. Lean it, slide sideways. No, the other way.
What?
Like that, yeah. Line it up. Remember, it has to go through the back first. So make sure it's lined up.
Oh, okay.
Nope, it's not in the thing. Alright. So maybe I need to take one more of these out. Maybe I need to take this one out. Okay, try it again. You gotta push it down, push this side down, you'll hear it go click. Okay, let's see. Did it click in? Let's see here. Oh yeah, it went in. It didn't click, but it went all the way in. So now you just gotta put in those two screws. Yeah, you don't need to tighten it all the way down yet. We need to install the bridge. Yeah, you don't need to tighten it up. Alright, so then this is the SLI bridge. So this is gonna connect these two video cards together. Let's make sure. Okay. There we go. So now you can tighten those screws down. And we just gotta put this one back in here. Okay. So just put this screw in there. Screw that in, and then that's the installation of a video card into a motherboard, PCI Express slot. Double check the apprentices work. Oh wow, that's pretty tight. Damn. Strong, huh? Alright, so this computer is almost literally the way set up the way it was before. The only thing is the cables need to be readjusted and the drives need to be readjusted. So what I'm going to do is reroute these back to the other side of the case, run them back through here, plug them in, and that should be it. The computer is ready to go. Alright, so now cables are rerouted. And reinstalled. Just have to fix up the back here and put in the drive that's on the existing computer, so that way I don't have to format any drives. Just swap the drives out of this old computer and should be good to go. Alright, so that's it. The old video cards were put back in this 4770K. Hard drives are in there.
So,
And we took out the, this is a 750 Ti that's in this old computer. So, I'm going to give this computer to somebody else. But now it's time to boot it up. And hopefully everything goes as smoothly as it did.